Sir, a big moment for you in your life also. What's your reaction actually?
I express my gratitude towards Congress President Rahul ji. They have taken a decision with the blessings of Madam Sonia ji. I'm very grateful to them. And I dedicate my chief ministership to the people of Kerala.
Regarding the this
We have made many offers that we will start a new era. We will change Kerala. We will make changes. We will bring the Kerala as a number one state in India.
അമ്പോ കണ്ട രോമൊക്കെ എണീറ്റ് നിന്ന് പുഷപ്പടിക്കണം.
That is our hope. We will do for that.
So there was a slight delay and actually Congress supporters were a little upset with the celebration. So is it time to give them?
It's quite natural. Congress is a democratic party.
എന്താ ഷൈട്ട് പറഞ്ഞേ ഒന്നും മനസ്സിലായില്ല പക്ഷെ കാണിക്കണ്ട.
Yeah, people are supporting the UDF. They wanted to make UDF government as a number one government. Their hope is that.
അതെന്റെ വലിയൊരു ആഗ്രഹം.
And our team UDF, thousands of workers and leaders work together as a single party.
ഞങ്ങൾ രണ്ടല്ല ഒന്നാ.
I have already stated to you that our team UDF is the model to the entire country for the coalition politics.
എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്